Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am glad to have you here for another video. Please, if you haven't done so yet guys, hit that subscribe button. In this video, we are going to look at a tech feature in Microsoft that you guys can use to make life much easier for you when it comes to document preparation, when it comes to preparing assignments, when it comes to preparing notes, when it comes to preparing those long documents, writing letters. Guys, trust me, this is of great help to anyone who has that job to do. Would you rather type from scratch or would you rather just edit? For me, I rather just edit. There are two easy ways that you can get this thing done. You can press dictate. So here we're going to use our voice, and whatever we say, it's going to be on paper for us. We don't need to worry about it. Using our hands and all that makes life so easy for us. And so guys, if you don't want to use this, you press the Windows key and then you hold down H. You heard that noise? Let's see what it is. And here you see that this microphone has appeared. Once this microphone is there, you're going to put your cursor on your page and then you're going to click on that microphone and just start saying what you want to see on paper. Easy, right? Let's go guys. Hello, my name is Naisha. What is your name? As you notice guys, once I'm done, I click the microphone to stop. Okay? You would just have to make sure that you are going back to this to edit it, because as you would notice, like names and those things, it may not spell them correctly. Depending on the way that you pronounce your words and that type of thing, it may not spell your words correctly. Right? So try your best to make sure that you pronounce your words as best as you can. So guys, you can go at any speed you want. Don't worry about it. Just keep talking and it is going to just type what you're saying. You have it right there on paper. So this time around, you're gonna have to worry about your mouth being tired. With that being said guys, if you want anything highlighted, it can highlight it for you. So whatever word it is, you can just say select just or select it, and it's going to do that for you. So let's try that. Select nice. Select nice. So here you see that it has selected nice. Select speed. So there you see that it selected speed. So guys, when you want to highlight things, it is still going to be easy for you whatever you're doing. To me, this is a really cool feature. You guys just can get used to it and make it work for you. I hope that I did help someone. Someone is gonna benefit from this who didn't know about this or who never thought of it. So you guys do enjoy it and keep going. Take care guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Until then, see you guys next time. Later.